Jamaica National Senior and Junior Trials, day one here at the National Stadium, and boy, oh boy, Jamaican sprinting is back. Welcome to A76 Dream on track, powered by Porade.
I just enjoyed running.
Come out to Paris and watch me, I don't know.
But before we go to that, let's talk about the women's 400 meter hurdles. Genevieve Russell, Shine Salmon, Andrinette Knight, Rochelle Clayton. Three spots, 4 women. All of them look fast. All of them are wearing 54 points. Something. All of them look like them can qualify. I'm gonna be so heartbroken for the one that don't make it.
You know, that is a cracking field. You know, you have 4 good athletes and it's only 3 spots. So I'm looking forward to that.
But I think it just comes from the pressure that I put on myself, because I've been working hard, so I know that the times are in my legs. I just need to go out there and do what I've been doing in practice.
On the men's side, Kishane Thompson, 9.86 in 100 meter. The man basically just jogged Noah Lyles' PB. There is word around that he could run 9.7 based on his run tonight. You think he looks like a 9.7 runner?
9.6 is in the making on his best day.
Yes, 9.6. I would say 9.6.
Yeah, definitely 9.75.
Oblique Seville, Akeem Blake, 9.9 something. Them 2 man they run. Them look very promising. Then on the women's side, Shelly and Fraser Price, the pocket rocket, the tape come off our knee. Tape come off our knee.
I want to see what Shelly looks like. And Sharika. I'm looking at slowly. I expect her to make the team.
Honestly, it feels like training, and I think that's good. It's just another day. It feels like, honestly, it feels like Saturday, like a regular track meet.
It's a changing of the guards for the women. We haven't seen Elaine because of the injuries, but a lot of the young sprinters look primed to take their place in history.
Let me tell you something. It's a happy time for Jamaica track and field again in terms of the women.
Day one, complete national trials. Stay tuned, 876 Dream on track.